Greetings, food enthusiasts and aspiring entrepreneurs. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of corn flour processing in Africa. With maize being a staple food across the continent, there's a vast opportunity to transform this humble crop into a thriving business venture. Join us as we explore the machinery, techniques, and marketing strategies needed to launch a successful corn flour processing operation. Let's get cooking. Let's start by uncovering the essential machinery required to convert maize into fine, versatile corn flour. From grinding to packaging, here's a breakdown of the key equipment: corn milling machine. At the heart of your operation lies the corn milling machine, responsible for grinding maize kernels into fine flour. Choose a high-quality mill with adjustable settings to produce different grades of flour, from coarse to ultra-fine. Look for features such as robust construction, efficient motor power, and easy maintenance to ensure smooth operation. Sifting and sieving equipment. To refine your corn flour and remove any impurities or coarse particles, invest in sifting and sieving equipment. These machines help achieve uniform texture and consistency in your flour, enhancing its quality and marketability. Opt for models with multiple sieve sizes and automatic cleaning mechanisms for optimal performance. Packaging. Machinery. Once your corn flour is processed, it's time to package it for distribution. Packaging machinery, such as bagging machines, sealers, and labelers, plays a crucial role in ensuring product freshness and presentation. Choose equipment that offers flexibility to accommodate different packaging sizes and materials, as well as features like accurate weighing systems and durable construction for efficient packaging operations. Now that we've covered the machinery, let's delve into the production process. Join us as we walk through the steps of transforming maize kernels into premium corn flour, from cleaning to packaging. Here at our state-of-the-art corn flour processing facility, we start by thoroughly cleaning and inspecting the maize kernels to remove any foreign matter or debris. The cleaned kernels are then fed into our corn milling machine, where they are ground into a fine flour. The flour is then sifted and sieved to remove any remaining impurities, resulting in a smooth, high-quality product. Finally, the flour is packaged using our automated packaging machinery, ensuring freshness and convenience for our customers. As you can see, with the right machinery and techniques, you can transform maize into premium corn flour efficiently and effectively. But a successful business requires more than just machinery. It also requires strategic marketing to attract customers and drive sales. Let's explore some effective marketing strategies to promote your corn flour processing business and reach potential customers. Brand identity and packaging. Develop a strong brand identity and packaging design that reflects the quality and authenticity of your corn flour. Invest in eye-catching labels, packaging materials, and branding elements to stand out on the shelves and attract consumers' attention. Digital marketing. Leverage digital channels such as social media, websites, and online marketplaces to showcase your corn flour products and engage with your target audience. Share visually appealing content, recipes, cooking tips, and testimonials to build brand awareness and drive sales. Distribution partnerships. Partner with local retailers, supermarkets, wholesalers, and food service providers to distribute your corn flour products. Build relationships with potential partners and offer incentives such as promotional deals, discounts, and marketing support to encourage collaboration and increase distribution reach. Let's start by unraveling the machinery that powers the corn flour revolution. At the core of your operation lies a series of essential equipment designed to grind, refine, and package maize into high-quality flour. Here's what you need to know. Corn milling machine. Your corn milling machine is the workhorse of your operation, grinding maize kernels into fine flour. Look for a robust mill with adjustable settings to produce various grades of flour, from coarse to fine. Consider factors such as efficiency, durability, and ease of maintenance when selecting the right machine for your business. sifting, and sieving equipment. To ensure the quality and consistency of your flour, invest in sifting and sieving equipment. These machines remove impurities and coarse particles, resulting in a smooth, uniform product. Choose models with multiple sieve sizes and automatic cleaning features to streamline your production process. Packaging machinery. Once your flour is ready, it's time to package it for distribution. Packaging machinery, including bagging machines, sealers, and labelers, ensures your product reaches customers in pristine condition. Look for equipment that offers flexibility, reliability, and efficiency to meet the demands of your growing business. With the right machinery and techniques, you can transform maize into premium corn flour efficiently and effectively. But a successful business requires more than just production. It also demands strategic marketing to connect with customers and drive sales. Let's explore some effective marketing strategies to promote your corn flour processing business and establish a strong presence in the market. To launching a successful business in this thriving industry, where maize flour holds a cherished place in the hearts and kitchens of millions. From the traditional staple fufu to a myriad of other dishes, corn flour is more than just an ingredient. It's a cornerstone of African cuisine, and tapping into this market can lead to lucrative opportunities. Let's dive in. To kickstart your corn flour processing venture, you'll need the right machinery and equipment. Let's explore the essential tools that will turn maize kernels into golden flour. Corn milling machine. This is the heart of your operation, where maize kernels are ground into fine flour. Look for a reliable mill with adjustable settings to produce various textures of flour, catering to the diverse culinary preferences of your customers. A robust machine with efficient motor power and easy maintenance will ensure smooth operations and consistent quality output. Sifting and sieving equipment. Next, you'll need equipment to refine your corn flour and remove any impurities. Investing in sifting and sieving machines will ensure that your flour is smooth and free from coarse particles. Opt for models with multiple sieve sizes and automated cleaning systems for optimal efficiency and product consistency. Packaging machinery. Once your flour is ready, it's time to package it for distribution. Packaging machinery such as bagging machines, sealers, and labelers will ensure that your product reaches customers in pristine condition. Choose equipment that offers versatility and precision to meet the demands of your growing customer base. Now that we understand the technical aspects, let's delve into the cultural significance of corn flour in African households. Corn flour is a pantry staple in countless homes across the continent, with its most iconic use being in the preparation of fufu, a beloved dish enjoyed by many. But beyond fufu, corn flour is a versatile ingredient used in a wide range of dishes, from porridges to baked goods. It's safe to say that any African family worth their salt will have at least one bag of corn flour in their kitchen. In kitchens across Africa, corn flour is the backbone of countless recipes, cherished for its versatility and nutritional value. Whether it's steaming hot fufu served with soup or a comforting bowl of maize porridge, corn flour brings families together around the dinner table. Its affordability, long shelf life, and adaptability make it a pantry essential for millions of households. Indeed, corn flour is not just a product, it's a cultural icon deeply rooted in African culinary traditions. And by tapping into this market, you have the potential to reach millions of customers and make a significant impact. With corn flour being such an essential product in African households, there's no doubt that starting a corn flour processing business can lead to substantial profits. By providing a high-quality product that meets the needs of your customers, you have the opportunity to build a loyal customer base and establish your brand as a household name. Across Africa, entrepreneurs who have ventured into the corn flour business are reaping the rewards of their hard work and dedication. From small-scale operations to large-scale enterprises, these visionaries have tapped into the lucrative market for corn flour, transforming their dreams into reality and making millions in the process. As you can see, the potential for success in the cornflour business is limitless. By understanding the cultural significance of corn flour and providing a product that meets the needs of your customers, you can build a thriving business that generates substantial revenue. And there you have it, folks. With the right machinery, cultural understanding, and marketing strategies, you're well equipped to launch a successful corn flour processing business in Africa. By honoring tradition, celebrating diversity, and providing quality products, you're not just milling flour, you're nourishing communities and preserving culinary heritage. The time to invest in Africa now, and contact us from our WhatsApp number on this video description. We will help you buy good-performing machines for your business. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, may your flour be fine and your business flourish.